to be rebuilt. That's the plan. Not to be destroyed, but to rise again. He allows the shattering, not for my demise, but to reconstruct me before my very eyes. Oh, yeah. He's the ultimate rebuilder, gentle and true, binding up the pieces, making all things new, learning ravel into something strong and deep, promises of hope, secret he will keep. I is broken to be rebuilt for his purpose bright. I was broken to be rebuilt for his kingdom's light. I was broken to be rebuilt, to be more like him. I was broken, but never destroyed. Oh yeah, never did. Acknowledge the wounds, don't hide them away. Pour out your pain, let him heal you today. He's waiting to mend with a tender embrace, restoring your spirit, finding the rightful place. Surrender the timeline, don't rush the design. Healing's a journey, step by step, line by line. He rebuilds from within your faith and your soul, making you strong and rugged. Purpose. Oh yeah, I was broken to be rebuilt for his kingdom's light. I was broken to be rebuilt, to be more like him. I was broken, but never destroyed. Oh yeah, never nailed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Drawing near to him in my brokenness, I find his amazing grace and healing for my mind. Lean into his power, let his love flow through. He's making me beautiful, strong and brand new. I was broken to be rebuilt for his purpose, right? I was broken to be rebuilt for his kingdom's light. I was broken to be rebuilt, to be more like him. I was broken, but never destroyed. Oh yeah, never did. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I was broken to be rebuilt, to be more like him. I was broken, but never destroyed. Oh yeah, never did. Rebuild and restore, stronger now, forevermore. He rebuilt me, yeah, destroyed. No, no, fully restored.